3 old money rules. Break any one of them, and the whole outfit stops looking expensive, no matter what it actually cost. I've noticed, after way too many hours studying this stuff, the harder someone tries to look rich, the cheaper it usually reads. Old money style does the opposite, on purpose. No logo across the chest. No trend that's dead by spring. Just a handful of quiet choices that make an outfit look like it's been in the family for decades. You don't need to actually inherit anything to pull it off. One more thing before we start. Today's Luxe challenge, I'm going to break one of these 3 rules, myself. On purpose, without pointing it out. If you catch it before I reveal it near the end, comment which one. Most people miss it the first time. Let's get into it. Quick thing before we get into it, because people mix these two up constantly. Old money is the fantasy. Inherited wealth, generations of taste. Quiet luxury is what that fantasy actually looks like once it's hanging in a closet. The internet kind of smushed them into one word, but keeping them separate helps, because the real question isn't, how do I look rich? It's, how do I look like I meant to wear this? If I had to boil this whole aesthetic down to one simple gut check, it's this. If the very first thing you notice about an outfit is the logo, it's probably working against this aesthetic. That doesn't mean zero branding ever. The point is, the logo shouldn't be the main event. Then there's fabric. Touch it. Before you look at the price tag. Wool, cotton, linen, a genuinely good blend versus something that feels plasticky and stiff and synthetic doesn't automatically mean cheap either. What matters is how it drapes, holds its shape, whether it pills fast, and then restraint. Probably the hardest one to actually learn. Because when an outfit already works, the temptation is always to keep adding logo, fabric, restraint. That's most of it. Quick test, 3 seconds.
Outfit A or outfit B? Which one looks more expensive to you? 3, 2, you're already like an old money stylist. A is technically the pricier brand,
but the fit's off, it's wrinkled, and there's too much competing for attention. B just works. Comment A or B below, no cheating, your turn again. This outfit has 7 things going on. Necklace, earrings, bracelet, scarf. You have to remove just one off. My pick? The scarf. See how it suddenly breathes a little? That's restraint in action, not less style, just less noise. Did you pick the same thing? Comment what you removed. And this is the part everyone actually clicked for. So let's not waste time. Don't try to build this whole look from one store. Spread it across a few different price points instead. For basics, simple shirts, tees, and layering pieces, Uniqlo and Old Navy. For a step up, Quince has built a real following on this exact gap. Offering pieces in genuine cashmere, silk, and leather, direct from the manufacturer, without the traditional retail markup. Exact pricing varies by the item and the season, so it's worth checking current listings, rather than expecting a fixed number. You can often find a more accessible price than comparable designer pieces, depending on the material and the construction. And don't overlook resale. On platforms like Vestiaire Collective, The Real, and ThreadUp, you can sometimes find pieces from brands like Max Mara or Loro Piana at a meaningful discount off the original retail price. Just check seller ratings, item condition, and authenticity before buying. One thing that applies no matter where you shop, fit beats brand every time. A small tailoring adjustment can make a thrifted blazer look sharper than a designer one that doesn't sit right on the shoulders. Mix all 3 lanes, and you'll build a more refined wardrobe without relying on one store, one brand, or one price point. Quick myth to bust, because I hear this a lot. It's basically never the price. It's the fit being slightly off, which we just talked about. It's the outfit not being taken care of. Wrinkled, pilling, scuffed shoes, or it's just too much happening at once, competing for attention. Notice what's not on that list. Before you spend a single dollar on something new, try this on what you already own. Run a fabric shaver over anything pilling. It takes 2 minutes, makes old stuff look new again. Steam or iron before you wear it. This one's underrated, and a simple scarf or a quality silk blend, if you can find one at a fair price, adds a polished finishing touch to a plain outfit. None of this costs much. It just takes a little effort most people skip. So if you're wondering what the actual secret is here, after all that, okay, quick reveal. The rule I broke was the logo rule. Go back to the shopping section for a second and look closely at what I'm wearing. See it? That small logo on the belt buckle? I left it there the entire time, and that's exactly the point. The rule was never zero branding, ever. It's that the logo shouldn't be the main event. But there's another reason I wanted you to catch that. Remember what I said right at the beginning? The harder someone tries to look rich, the cheaper it can read. Now you know why. If you spotted it before I said anything, comment "caught it" below. I'm curious how many people actually noticed. It's not the cashmere. It's not even the blazer. It's restraint. Knowing when to stop adding things, taking care of what's already in your closet instead of constantly buying more, and wearing it like it's actually yours for the day. Looking expensive was never really about money. It's about looking like you meant it. Sometimes the most expensive looking thing you can do is just leave something off. If you want to build your style around timeless pieces instead of chasing every new trend, my previous video walks through the 5 secrets this whole approach is built on. I'll link it right on screen. And if you enjoyed today's Luxe challenge, subscribe to Luxe Fashion Muse. There's a new hidden challenge waiting in every video. Until next time, stay timeless, stay elegant, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.